Long-range answering system experience the best in long-range coverage and clarity, provided by a unique antenna design and advances in noise filtering technology. This reliable cordless system includes a digital answering machine that can record up to 22 minutes of incoming messages, outgoing announcements and memos, and a voice guide for easier setup. Digital answering system with voice guide records up to 22 minutes HD audio with Equalizer for customized audio backlit keypad and high-contrast LCDCaller ID records past 50 names and numbers. Smart call blocker saves up to 1,000 names and numbers. Smart call blocker caller ID announce say goodbye to unwanted calls. Robocalls on your landline are automatically blocked from ever ringing through, even the first time. You can also permanently blacklist any number you want with one touch on the dedicated key on the handset. The call block directory can store up to 1,000 name and number entries. Plus, the handset announces the name of the caller, so you can decide on answer the call or block it. Screening call is never easier. Large 2-inch screen, big text, lighted keypad. High contrast text on the extra large 2-inch screen makes it easy to read incoming caller ID or call history records. Plus, the enlarged font and extra large and lighted handset keypad allows for easy dialing in low light conditions. This feature is especially helpful for those who are visually impaired. Handset speakerphone intercom. This cordless system has built in a simulated full duplex speakerphone on handset, allowing both ends to speak and be heard at the same time for conversations that are more true to life. Also designed with useful features like handset intercom to help your daily communications enjoyable. Expandable to 12 handset. Easily add accessory handsets. Use CL80107 or CL80067 models, up to 12 total, with just one phone jack. Top reviews from the United States. Nice. These are nice phones. Needed to replace my home remote lines and these are a nice choice. Sound is clear, buttons are large which is nice, keypad is very bright which is a great feature, has lots of features. Some of the features are fairly new, at least to me. Not only can you block calls from certain numbers, you can also have the incoming calls verified before a ring, or even silenced until you want to take calls. Many features. Nice having 3 bases, one for each, so now I don't have to seek out my phone when I need it or do the old juggling multiple handsets for charging on one base. Range is excellent. Covers my entire property, 1+ acre. Nice look as well. Brightly lit display screen so no squinting. Yeah, I'd recommend these.